Myself, Ashutosh Sharma from Kohinoor Elastics. I'm a senior manager at marketing there. And Kohinoor Elastics is a company that has been established in 1986. And we are one of the largest manufacturers of jacquard elastics in the world. We are established in Indore in India itself. And we are showcasing some of our latest designs, products that are sustainable and more usable in terms of their efficiencies and performances over a long duration of time. So sustainability is the goal that we want to project in this particular expo. That is what we are looking forward to bring here.
Okay, so how do your elastic add value to innerwear, lingerie and sportswear in terms of comfort and durability?
The performance of an undergarment depends mostly on how it performs in terms of comfort, and the comfort comes mostly from the elastic that holds it in its place, and style brings a different texture to it, different a different scope to it. But overall, the performance of an elastic is what defines the performance of an undergarment in the long duration of time.
That's right. So what innovations or quality standards set Kohinoor Elastics apart in this segment?
Kohinoor Elastics over a duration of period have developed the best quality standards in the industry. We have a facility that is suitable for manufacturing of the best elastics in the world, meeting the best quality standards in the world. May it be the best brands that require the highest amount of performance and quality. We are catering to some of the best brands in the world, and we are proud to say that the relationships have been long enough and sustained enough to say itself that yes, we can do the product in a quality of the required standards.
That's right. So what kind of demand are you seeing from brands and manufacturers at this expo?
At this particular expo, the demand that I am seeing is mostly from people that are looking into innovations, towards new designs, towards new raw materials, towards sustainable raw materials that can be put into an elastic or a product that they can improve the sustainability as well as the durability of the product. That is what the scope that we have received till now.
That's right. So now coming to the last question. How does Kohinoor Elastics support Indian manufacturers and the Make in India vision?
Surprisingly, when somebody tells you that they are supplying to the best brands in the world from India, from Central India, it becomes very acceptable or understandable that the raw material would mostly be imported from other countries.
Right.
But we are proud to say that most of our raw materials are all made in India. They are all developed in India. So the products that we make are, you can say, up to 90% made with raw materials that are made in India.